Hey, it's Jeff at Trev Deeley Motorcycles, and our bike of the week this week is a 1920 Harley-Davidson. I'm just joking. It hasn't quite come to this yet. It hasn't, not yet. Our bike of the week is a 2018 Street Bob and a 2019 Super Custom Street Bob. So yes, it has been a crazy year. It's almost getting to the point where I'm going to be in the museum trying to sell the bikes there because we're running out of bikes. But that being said, if you're looking for a bike, please contact us first. We can still find you bikes. So whatever you're looking for, give us a call. It's Thursday. This is exciting because we have a finance promo going on. So I wanted to check out a really nice 2018 Street Bob that we have here. Maybe you want to come down, take advantage of that finance promo, get on it. But let's check out these two bikes. So this 2018 Street Bob has some nice extras on it. This is the industrial grade denim and vivid black matte finish. So the denim paint, which is nice. It's got LED turn signals front and back, including docking hardware here. So the turn signal relocator kit, a quick release windscreen, stage 1, and it has the most popular pipe for the Street Bob, the Two Brothers 2-into-1 pipe, which are super hard to get right now if you want to get it on your new bike. Some nice levers here as well. This is a great bike. It's got low K on it too. Well, it's been ridden a bit. Just under 20,000 K here, 19,660. Still lots of life left in it. Still room to make it your own. So the other bike I pulled out here is a 2019 Street Bob done to the max. And this is the cool thing about Street Bobs, is that how much you can do to them. They are the lower price Softails, but that makes them an awesome place to start for your pellet for customizing. This 2019 Street Bob here has carbon fiber rims. Yes, carbon fiber rims. A 124 kit, zipper kit in it to bring up that engine. Now this was built before the 128 Harley kit came out. So nowadays you could do a 128 kit on these on the lightest Softail. So this bike's gonna rip. Öhlins front and rear adjustable, fully adjustable suspension on it. It's got Renthal fat bar, hard case risers on it, the Harley windscreen on it. It also has been, to get all that power out of the engine, the chain conversion has been done on it. Bigger rotors to give you some more stopping power, because this thing is a performance wheelie machine. Lots of the trim has been done. Get a grips on it. The Rix adjustable levers, which are really nice. Harley boards on it. The derby cover has been done. Side mounted plate. Little swing arm bag so you can put your sandwich in there. And of course, the Saddleman seat. Custom painted as well, all nicely blacked out. This is a hot performance bike. This bike is available for sale as well. And if you're looking for the sort of penultimate, but the reason I want to show it to you, you can do crazy things, you can do so many things with these. This could be your starting point to make your own crazy performance Street Bob. All right, so come down to Trev Deeley and check out these two bikes this weekend. From Thursday to Tuesday, get on the finance promo. That 2018 Street Bob would look great at your place. It'd be a great bike to start customizing. But yes, we want to see you down. I came out to the front of the store today to end this video because it's been a while since I've been to the front. Both entrances are open. Come down this weekend. We can't wait to see you down here.